Please, doctor, tell me the truth. Am I going to die? The disease I have is incurable, right? How much longer do I have to live? Don't lie to me. All right, I'm ready to start working. Miss, please bring in the first patient. Good morning, Dr. House. Good morning. Tell me, what's the problem? Well, doctor, my stomach has been hurting a lot lately. Anything I eat feels really heavy. I can eat something bland like whole wheat bread or fried chicken with fries, and it still makes me feel sick. I see. Explain further. What does that pain or discomfort in your stomach feel like? What exactly are you feeling? Shortly after eating something, my stomach bloats and any food makes me gassy. Afterward, I feel heavy and sometimes even constipated. It's not that painful, but it's actually very uncomfortable. I can't do anything because I feel that discomfort all day long. I don't know what to do anymore. I see. Based on what you're telling me, what you're feeling might not just be a simple stomachache. You most likely have gastritis or some bacteria affecting your intestinal flora. We'll need to run some tests to find out what you have and be able to give you treatment. I've already had the necessary tests done. I came in last week and was seen by another doctor who ordered an endoscopy. Here are my results. Oh, that's good. Let me see. From what I see, it's true. The results of your endoscopy are clear. You suffer from gastritis and have a bacteria that's very common in people your age. That bacteria is what causes all these discomforts because it prevents your digestive system from functioning properly. Oh God, is this serious, doctor? Will I be okay? Don't worry, it's not very serious, but it's a problem we need to address now to avoid further problems in the future. I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics and a series of foods that you should eat and others that you should avoid. Above all, avoid any foods that are highly seasoned or fatty. Also, avoid fried and processed food. Processed foods are the worst. Also, eat these fruits and vegetables to improve your digestion. Follow these instructions for 2 weeks, and I'm sure you'll feel better. Come back in 2 weeks for another test and to see how you're doing. Oh, thank you very much, Dr. House. I was starting to worry. I will follow your orders to the letter. Have a nice day. You too. Next patient, please. Good morning, Dr. House. I need your help, please. Good morning. Sure. What's your problem? I don't feel good. I've been coughing for several days. I have a slight fever, and sometimes I have a trouble breathing. At first, I thought it was just the flu, but it's been like this for several weeks now, and it worries me. I see. Tell me something. When you breathe, do you feel pain? Do you have fatigue or nausea? Yes, Dr. House. It hurts when I breathe. My chest feels very hard. And sometimes I feel very fatigued, very tired. And when I cough a lot, I suddenly feel nauseous. I don't know what to do. All right. Have you been taking anything for those symptoms? No. Or well, yes. I've been taking a lot of flu medicines and pills for cough and nausea, but none of that has worked for me. In fact, I feel worse and worse. Based on everything you've told me, it's most likely that all the symptoms you mentioned are due to pneumonia. Pneumonia? What is that? Pneumonia is an infection of one or both of your lungs caused by bacteria, viruses. It is a serious infection in which the air sacs fill with pus and other liquid. Early symptoms are similar to influenza symptoms: fever, a dry cough, headache, muscle pain, and weakness. Within a day or two, the symptoms typically get worse, with increasing cough, shortness of breath, and muscle pain. There may be a high fever and there may be a blueness of the lips. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Will I be okay? Well, pneumonia is a serious lung infection that can be mild to life threatening, depending on the cause and the individual's risk factors. Treatment varies by the type of pneumonia. Antibiotics are used for bacterial infections, while antiviral medicines may be used for some viral forms. Other treatments include rest, fluids, over the counter pain relievers, and in severe cases, hospitalization, oxygen therapy, or even a ventilator. We need to treat it as soon as possible. But don't worry, everything will be fine. I'm going to give you an order to get some lab tests done, and you can come back when you have the results so I can give you the right treatment. Okay, doctor. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. I hope so. Have a good day. Next patient, please. Good morning, Dr. House. I am really worried. You have to help me, please. Of course. What are your symptoms? I have a terrible headache. My pain is constant. I feel like my head is exploding. I can't take it anymore. I also feel tired all day. I don't want to do anything and I feel fatigued. My muscles feel tense and I haven't been able to sleep for days. I know I have something very serious, maybe a brain tumor or some terminal illness. Please, doctor, tell me the truth. Am I going to die? The disease I have is incurable, right? How much longer do I have to live? Don't lie to me. Relax. Let's find out what the problem is. Explain a little bit to me. What do you do and what's your daily routine? I am a lawyer. I have to present legal cases in court every day, and I have to talk to clients who have been accused, most of them unjustly. I see. And what is your work schedule and what do you do in your free time? Free time? What is that? I don't have any free time. I work all day. Well, my work schedule is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but I always have to get to the office early to prepare my cases. And then at night, I have to do a lot of research to prepare to defend my clients. I see. What about your diet? What do you eat every day? Well, my diet can vary a lot, but I usually have a glass of orange juice in the morning and then a lot of coffee throughout the day. At lunch, if I have time, I might eat something with chicken or fish, but when I don't have time, I don't eat anything. Then at night, I get really hungry, so I eat a hamburger or pizza. There are days when I can eat a whole pizza or two. I see. And what about your family? Do you live alone? Are you married? Do you have any children? Children? Well, yeah, I have three children and I am married. I hardly ever see my wife, but when I get home, it's so noisy. And all I want to do is go to my studio and work. But the noise my children make is so annoying. Please just tell me, how much time do I have left to live? Let's see. Mr. Brown, I'm almost certain that what you have isn't a terminal illness or anything serious. So don't worry, you're not going to die. From everything you've told me, what you have is a stress due to your entire work and family routine. Stress? What are you talking about? Stress can't make me sick like this. Yes, it can. Stress symptoms can be categorized as emotional, physical, cognitive, and behavioral. Common emotional symptoms include irritability, worry, and feelings of hopelessness. And physical signs can include headaches, muscle tension, sleep problems, and changes in appetite. And with everything you've told me, it's almost likely that what you have is caused by stress. I didn't know that. Are you sure? Many people underestimate the physical problems that stress can cause. It can even cause death when it leads to severe symptoms and subsequent serious illnesses. Oh God, and what can I do? Try muscle relaxation, breathing, or meditation exercises, prayer, yoga, or swimming to reduce stress. Spend time with nature or listen to quiet music. Take breaks when needed. Especially at work, taking breaks can help you reorganize and re energize your thoughts and focus. The truth is that if you continue with that routine, I wouldn't be surprised if you came back with some illness. I see. Well, I will do it. I don't want to get sick. Thank you very much, Dr. House. I think I'm going to take a nice vacation with my family. Good decision. Have a nice day.